It's your girl, MNVN. Go ahead, babe.
Real quick. Let me get that off your lip real quick. Can't have you looking crusty out here. Hey, how you doing? Look, we on the way to pick up some shoes, man. Y'all already know what today is. It's release day. Racer Blue 3's got me an in-store reservation that I hit on finish line, so you know, gotta go get them.
That's it.
So let's go do that. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so we in the mall now. About to go pick these things up. Alright, so let's see.
We can look online for that. Gas and pick up our food.
Yeah. Package secured. You already know. Alright, y'all. So we just picked them things up. We're gonna take a look at it whenever we get to the house, but we about to pick up this food because we is hungry. It's hot outside, you know, so
Hot is an understatement, baby.
we go. You see me sweating. Woo! Woo! But yeah, we about to go get this food, and then we gonna go back home. We're gonna take a look at these 3's. I got a little things that I have to touch on when it comes to these. Got a few questions I gotta ask y'all about these, and then yeah, might unbox some other shoes. Well, we gonna see. So y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video. So let's go. Let's get it. Whew. All right, y'all, so I'm back at the crib. Got some packages I'm gonna unbox too for you guys. And we're gonna take a look at these 3's real quick. Move the box to the side so it's not in the way. And then, yeah, let's take a look at these things. I've been excited to look at them because I'm like, I like this colorway. I don't know what y'all on, because y'all try to act like y'all don't like 3's no more. Like it ain't one of the silhouettes that been, you feel me, that been having all the heat, white cements, black cement. Like, don't be doing Jordan 3's dirty like that. Like, don't act like you ain't been a fan. But you see the box, a little special box, you know what I'm saying? All black, blue Jumpman. They did my box horrendous, but you know, it is what it is. They always do my boxes dirty at JD. I promise you, the people that work there probably really don't like me. They see my name on the box and they just get to stomping my box out. But it's all good. You know, it don't even matter because, you know, we still out here taking these W's. So as you can see here, got the 11.5 on the box. I'm gonna show y'all what it says. It says white, racer blue, black, 190 retail. Let's see, because the elephant print that's on here, a little bit different on them. So got them here, and let's see them in person. Let's see if it looks as bad as everybody says it is. So these are fire. Come on, quit playing. These are fire, bruh. Y'all gonna quit playing like y'all don't like 3's, bro. Y'all really making me mad. That's because ain't no reason why everybody keep, cause let this have been a Jordan 1. Oh, it's $1,500 now. You feel what I'm saying? Like, but y'all put it on the Jordan 3, and you feel me? And nobody wants it. That's okay. Watch, y'all gonna look up 6 months and these are gonna be like $400-500. Y'all gonna be like, bro, what? You remember the Black Cat 4s? Yeah, I got them too. And you saw what happened to them. Might mess around happen to these too. So racer blue 3's. Now this isn't no crazy like bright blue. It's like just like a regular like royal blue. Outsole, all gray, blue pie, Jordan, Jumpman. No Nike ear on the back. Just got the regular blue. And on top of that, they said I'm gonna do like a little video. I'm gonna put it in right here. But like the cement, I keep saying cement. The elephant print on here is actually 3M. Like, I think that's fire. Bro, these shoes are just so fire, bro. Like, y'all gonna quit playing with the 3's. Whew. This might offend some of y'all. I'd rather take these over some I'm on my years. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, fight about me with it in the comments. Yeah. Nah, I'm just playing. I mean, they decent, but I'm just like, bruh, y'all better quit playing with 3's, bruh. They gonna stop giving us 3's and y'all gonna be like, bro, we haven't gotten a 3 in so long. Yeah, quit playing, but that's it for these. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about them. Like for real, like, do y'all like Jordan 3 still? Like, I'm confused. Like, I really want to know. So just let me know in the comment section below. And then, yeah, we gonna move on to this unboxing. These are both the same shoes. So I'm just gonna open it and then show it. And then we gonna wrap up this video. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna set that up real nice. Put these to the side here so you can still see them. And then these are both from Adidas. Because on the way back home from the 4th of July weekend, if you haven't seen the part 1 of that video, I know part 2's coming soon. I'm trying to get it out, but you know, I got a lot on my plate, you know, a lot I'm working with, so trying to get it together. But if you haven't seen that video, check that out. But we hit on the confirmed app on the road home on 2 different sizes on 2 different accounts. The V hit and then I hit. So we're gonna open these bad boys up and then we're gonna take a look at them and see why. I don't know. I just feel like, you know, it's hit or miss with Yeezys nowadays. See the 700s on there? MNVN, boost on the side. This is the 12. This is the one that Naveen got because this is a size 12. I got an 11.5 because when I went on the app, it was playing for some reason, but like when I went on the app, 12 wasn't there. They only had 11.5. So I was just like, all right, I'll go for this one. Look, let's dive into it. All right, so got the 700s here. We're gonna move the 3's out the way. Got the boxes. Let's take a look at them, shall we? We're gonna open the one that I got. Look, crispy paper. Oh. I don't know why it looks like this. Ew. Ew. Yo, they gotta chill. This don't have no, I don't know why, but Adidas never puts the paper on the inside of the shoes. But this is it. This is probably reflective. Ew. Okay. Looks like this is the start of the video. This is the reason why you clicked on the video, but ew. That's the outsole. Okay. It's crazy because when we went to pick up the shoes, it wasn't a big size, but the smaller sizes were definitely sitting at the store, and I'm just like, oh, look at it. Doesn't have nothing on the inside to keep the shape. It's not gonna do it any justice. Jeez. One. Let's see if this one has paper in it. No. It looked like they got ran over. They're so flat. Look like somebody stepped on these. Ouch. Let me know if y'all wanted these. Where's the extra laces? Oh, wow. These do not come with extra laces. This is a bulky shoe. Whoa. Well, yeah. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. I didn't see no return label. Anyways, let me put these on the outside and the Racer Blue 3's in the middle. Let me know if you were able to, because everybody was like, oh, these should have been an easy cop. So let me know if it was easy for you or if you had to wrestle and tussle with the botters out there. But that's it for this video, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, sticking to the end. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video, and then hit the notification bell for all the videos that I'm going to post in the future, so you'll be notified. But it's your boy Moody. I'm out of here, y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and try these bad boys, cause these is fire, these is clean. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about them, and yeah, we gonna catch y'all in the next video. Please be patient with me. I'm trying to get part 2 for the 4th of July weekend vlog, so y'all be looking out for that video coming out soon. So I'm out of here, y'all. Get it on out of here. Peace. I'm gone.